Why do we make mistakes in digital messages?
It's easy to make errors in emails and instant messages, whether it's a typo, sending to the wrong person, or forgetting an attachment. These mistakes happen because digital communication is often fast-paced and informal. Understanding that everyone slips up sometimes can help reduce stress and make it easier to handle and correct these situations with confidence.
What's the first step after sending a mistake?
If you realize your error right after hitting send, stay calm. Take a moment to assess the situation. If your email platform allows it, check if you can use an undo send or recall feature. If not, prepare to acknowledge the mistake. Acting quickly and thoughtfully prevents confusion and shows responsibility to your recipient.
How should you correct the error?
Send a follow-up message promptly and clearly explain the mistake. Keep your correction brief and polite. For example, you might say, "Apologies for the error in my previous message. Here's the correct information." Owning up to the mistake respectfully helps maintain professionalism and trust with your recipient.
Are there special tips for different types of mistakes?
For small typos, a simple correction often suffices. If you sent sensitive information to the wrong recipient, notify them immediately and ask them to disregard it. For missing attachments, simply resend with the correct file. Tailoring your response based on the type and seriousness of the mistake makes your correction more effective.
How can you prevent future message errors?
Double-check recipients, attachments, and content before sending. Consider reading your message out loud to catch mistakes. Use the delay send or undo send features if available. Taking a few extra seconds to review can save time and avoid embarrassment, and helps ensure your digital communication stays clear and professional.